Everyone in town knows about you. Happy-go-lucky girl. The life you live isn't good. Happy-go-lucky girl. Imagine how many brides you stole. Imagine how many hearts you broke. Happy-go-lucky girl. Happy-go-lucky girl. Happy-go-lucky girl. Oh, it's true. Happy-go-lucky girl. Happy-go-lucky girl. Imagine how many brides you stole. Imagine how many hearts you broke.
Jamaican girl, them a nice, nice girl. Jamaican girl, them a sugar and spice. Jamaican girl, them a nice, nice girl. Jamaican girl, them a sugar and spice. So we learn. Watch your man. That some of them really bad for you and them don't know what to do. Then we leave you standing down the lonely avenue. Yeah. You know. So me say we left out the careless company. We left out the careless company. Happy-go-lucky girls and nobody come chucky. Happy-go-lucky, nobody come chucky. Happy-go-lucky, say you want to be my woman's world. Say that penny couldn't buy my shoe. A cut I couldn't cut her into. Where's the star? Say it again. Say that penny can't buy my shoe. Cut I couldn't cut her into. I will learn dread. Ay. Jamaican girl, them a nice, nice girl. Jamaican girl, them a sugar and spice. Jamaican girl, them a nice, nice girl. Wait till them put on a robe and go down the road through a little probe. You will see what I wanna.
I tried my best to change you. Oh, how much I'd love to control.
Say that this little light of mine, say me really I go make it shine. So me say that this a little light of mine. So me say me really I go make it shine. You know. So me say we left out the careless company. Left out the careless company. Show me your company and me tell you who you are. Jamaican girl, them a nice, nice girl. Jamaican girl, them a sugar and spice. Yeah. I've got a light to keep on shining, and I've got a light to keep on burning. Say that this little light of mine, me say me really I gonna make it shine. Sounds called Jamaican girl are the nicest girl all over the world. So you got to heal the world and tell it to your girl. Say Jamaican girl are the nicest girl. Jamaican girl are the sweetest girl. Jamaican girl are the nicest girl. You know. never compel you. So me really got to tell you, I me never really made you. Jamaican girl, are the nicest girl as I would say.